So याच्यात कितें केला तुमी CCTV?
So now basically we'll start by saying also, now PAWS has done a very good job in terms of controlling the stray dog thing. Now Panjim has the highest vaccination rate in all of Goa. It's around 80%. Now there are certain issues that we have when it comes to the remaining 20%. There is an issue with feeders, there's an issue with people protecting the animals and all. And the Supreme Court guidelines have made it very strict when it comes. See now even in, I'll give you an example. There was a dog in Tribandar that had bit a bunch of people. For me to get that dog removed took me 8 months. 8 months because the guidelines are so strict. Because first you have to check and see whether the dog is thing. You have to establish a case. Then they will come, they will check. Then they will check and see if the dog is dangerous again. Then they will put the dog back. So the procedure itself has become very cumbersome. See now Panjim is doing very well when it comes to ABC programs. We are doing the best in Goa by far. You know 80% has not been reached by any state, any municipality or any panchayat in Goa. So the remaining is proving to be a little bit of a problem. So now that we have to work on how to address it.
But population is increasing of dogs, no? So
see population, see Baba, I'll tell you one thing. See Panjim has the lowest amount of dogs that I can say safely. Now you have surrounding areas also where there are huge dog populations. See if I get rid of the dogs from Panjim, means the dogs from all the other areas are coming, no? So what we wanted to do now, I wanted to speak to Animal Husbandry Minister, was take all three areas. We talk about Santa Cruz, Talegaon and Panjim and do mass sterilization drives in all three areas. Because only if you bring down the rates in those areas, will the areas in Panjim come down also. So that plan I have to sit with the minister and figure out now what is to do.
फीडिंग करता पण समाजी
See now, that's what I'm saying. See, guidelines also are very strict now. They are stated that where the dogs are, you feed them there. Now there are dogs every 50 meters. Every 50 meters you cannot set up a spot for feeding also now. No, it's become very difficult now for the government to basically do their job. See, a lot of people. See, there are animal lovers. I understand. Even I have animals at home. But the thing is that there are a lot of people now who are scared. For example, if everyone rides a bike and a dog's going to attack them. There are so many children who have been bitten. There are so many people who have fallen off their bikes also now. And people sometimes get scared of dogs also, even though they might not do anything to them. That fear is still there. So we also wanted to appeal to all of these feeders to basically help us achieve that remaining 20%. Because every time we go, there are a lot of feeders who will directly tell you, say we're not vaccinating our dogs. So what are you going to do? So there also we get stuck also now. No? So we are asking for the support of everybody to make sure that it happens.
Okay. You had meeting with BL Santosh.
That is personal. I want to ask him something else.
डेंजरस डॉग्स आहे की तुम्ही काउंट करा
Ranges of means how few will be there. Rabies are no. Nobody will rabies and all is still I think.
Any cases found of rabies in PNG? No.
Panjim nothing.